Now, the Bengal governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, has sent the anti-rape bill passed by West Bengal Assembly for President's consideration. West Bengal governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, has referred the anti-rape bill that was passed by the State Assembly to President Draupadi Murmu. The governor has also accused the state government over lapses in the bill. My colleague Shreya Ghosh is also joining me. Shreya, while there is a bitter war of words between the West Bengal governor and the West Bengal chief minister, now the bill has been sent to President's assent. What more details do you have?
That's right. However, the governor has criticized the bill, stating that there are lapses and defects in the bill and that the government should do its homework before going for these knee-jerk responses. And we know that this is all coming as a response from the rape and murder, the brutal rape and murder that took place in R G Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata. And West Bengal government is trying its level best to enhance the punishment, and it has made several provisions in this new Aparajita Woman and Child bill, and the main provision, the striking provision, is that of death penalty for rape if it leads to death or the vegetative state of the victim after the rape. And although mandatory death penalty is has been declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court years ago in the 1983 case, yet the West Bengal government believes that this will lead to proactive measures. This is considered as a proactive measure to control sexual assaults, and it can be a good punitive measure. However, the governor believes that there are still defects, and the government needs to look into it. And before this bill gets passed, it needs to obviously get approval from President Draupadi Murmu for it to become an enforceable law. And now, of course, we know that Draupadi Murmu will be now. It's dependent completely on Draupadi Murmu as to if the bill will be approved or not. So far, the Raj Bhavan Communications has said that the bill has been sent to Draupadi Murmu for further approval.